Yeah, like I say, I took the show on the road today, man. Mark Uncut Studios, and I had a chance to stop by not one of the best barbers, but the best barber in the world.
Hey, I'm here live with Mark Uncut. Finishing up this haircut on one of my favorite clients. But I'm gonna turn it over to you, man, because I'm gonna concentrate on this line with these Skeletor clippers.
Yeah, man. Eric Scissorhands. You already know, like I always say, fresh like always. You know what I mean? Not one of the best barbers in the world, but the best barber in the world.
Appreciate that, brother.
Come on, man. But cut my hair since we were 12 years old. Sandbox homeboy.
Sandbox.
You know what I mean?
Some of the best barbers in the industry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Savannah, Georgia. The finest haircuts. If you ever come through the city, come get your haircut here. Oh, yeah, I never forget, man. I asked me one year, he said, hey, man, what you want for Christmas? I said, give me a tape line, man. You know what I mean? The reason why I'm saying that, man, I had a bald head since I was 18 years old, man. And he made a tape line happen for me.
It's not all that hard, man. We just went with a low ammonia beeswax based cream conditioner hair color, 20 volume developer, and put it on. Let it process for 15-20 minutes, and we was in there. It's not hard.
Straight like that.
It's all science and math.
Straight like that.
And you from the hood, you know this math.
Yes, sir. You better know the math when you from the hood. Straight like that. Clean as a bowl of health. The only barber I know in Savannah, Georgia, working with a bow tie. My barber, Scissorhands. I had a chance to chop it up with him today. He was a little busy, but it was all good. You know what I mean? He getting them old COVID-19 haircuts out the way. Everybody around here looking like werewolves in London. You know what I mean? But other than that, though, it's I'm gonna start taking my show on the road more. You know what I mean? So, not just only in the studios. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna start taking on the road more. So like I say, hey, drop me a line, drop me a comment, man. You already know, man. Like I love to say, like I always say, fresh like always.